Hi, my name is Ed. I run a home dining business called the Rivervale Pig, and this is my place. The design of the house is very uncluttered, very clean, so it's very suitable to have home dining guests. When they come here, they don't need to look at all the mess. Definitely for starting a video recipe channel, this would also be very ideal. There's a lot of natural light in various areas of the house, so I can basically shoot the videos in a few different locations in the house. I think my favorite part is still the kitchen. It's a very large kitchen, about 5.5 meters in length. So there's a lot of space to move around, and especially when you're doing plating, that becomes a very spacious area to actually do my work there. I actually went through more than 10 IDs. I met them for about 2 hours each. Danny was actually the last one that I met, but what impressed me most about Danny is he was willing to have meetings with me with a sketch drawing of how my place would actually look like. He took the trouble to actually look for design ideas that I have from the internet, and then when he presented those ideas to me, it matches what I also have in mind. So that was what impressed me about Danny, and I decided to go with Fineline design. I think Danny is very engaging, and we have a very open relationship, so we work with each other very closely. And I think he's very open to new ideas. For us, we do get into arguments when we do some things, but end of the day, it's for the good of getting the entire project done. Yes, I would definitely recommend Danny to my friends and family members. I think the way we have worked together is very collaborative. So I think that will, based on his character, it will definitely translate into the other projects.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.